Belize is such a beautiful place with many things and places to explore. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys to this beautiful resort. If you remembered on my birthday, I took you guys here, and today I'm just going to give you guys a recap of this beautiful place, the Belize Boutique Resort. Are you a fan of nature? Do you like being in your own zone away from everything else that's happening around you? If so, then the Belize Boutique Resort should be your next stop. Not only do they have friendly and respectable staffs, but the environment is such a beautiful and relaxing place. Let me show you why the Belize Boutique Resort should be your next stop. Did you know that the hibiscus flowers has many benefits? It lowers blood pressure, it improves hair growth, it prevents skin cancer, and it even lowers blood sugar. It was my first time trying it and I definitely enjoyed it. Meet Miss Mel, the owner of the Belize Boutique Resort. She's such a wonderful and amazing woman. If you are a hookah fan, this is a Hookah Lounge, and don't forget to walk with your bug spray. Let's head over to my favorite part, the rooms. If you like working out, you could also take a walk down to the gym, enjoy yourselves. There's also a basketball court, so you could always go over there and play with your families or your friends. If you have a child, they could always go on the slide and just enjoy themselves. The place is pretty huge, and I'm sure that you guys are going to enjoy it. The resort also has 2 beautiful pools, so if you're a person like me that loves the water, it is going to be perfect for you. This is one of my favorite parts of the resort as well, because I just get to relax, listen to some music, and just be all by myself. One thing I must mention though is that you will not get any Wi-Fi signal or service here, so this is a place that if you really want to just enjoy nature, you have to come to this place. No Wi-Fi, no internet, no nothing, just you and nature. It was time for my massage, and let me tell you guys, it was the best. It's the next day and it's time for breakfast, so let's head over to breakfast. Beautiful, isn't it? At night, the place is so beautiful, guys. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and make sure if you guys come to visit Belize, you guys check out Belize Boutique Resort. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.